Imagine it's 2 a.m. You have a job interview tomorrow, your final project is due next week, and you haven't slept properly for 4 days, and you are going through mental trauma. That's the gap we're solving. My name is Pritesh, and this is MindPath, an AI-driven wellness companion built specifically for students and professionals navigating career pressure. Here is the reality: 77% of professionals report experiencing burnout. One in almost three students feel overwhelmed by career uncertainty. And the mental health tools that exist today, they are built for everyone, which means they are built for no one in particular. A burnout software engineer and a student failing their finals are carrying completely different weight, but every app gives them the same generic breathing exercise. The problem isn't that people don't want help, it's that help doesn't speak their language. The mind path does.
So, how does MindPath work? It starts by understanding you. When you sign up, we ask you two things: your role, student or professional, and your main stressor: exams, job searching, workplace burnout, loneliness. That answer sips everything: your dashboard, AI chat, communities, and weekly report. All personalized from day one. Check in daily with your mood. It takes just 30 seconds. If you are struggling, MindPath guides you to immediate support. If you are doing okay, it tracks your patterns. Over time, it builds a mental health picture that actually matters. Here's what makes MindPath different: smart journaling. Write freely, and our AI reflects your emotional tone with an empathetic summary and our one actionable tip. Context away chat. Our AI knows your role, stressor, or and mood today, giving advice that actually fits you. Weekly report. Not just numbers. The AI reads your journal entries and gives a 3 sentence insight into your emotional patterns. Real communities matched to your stressor. Connect with real Reddit and Facebook communities, not generic groups, with people experiencing what you are going through.
MindPath is built on Next.js with MongoDB for flexible data storage. Authentication is handled by Clerk, and the AI layer runs on Google Gemini. AI analysis runs once on journal save and is stored in the database. We never reprocess. No wasted API calls. We built MindPath in Hackathon, but we designed it for the real world. The next step is cross-entry sentiment trends. Imagine seeing that your emotional tone shifted from anxious to hopeful over 3 weeks. That's something no wellness app shows you today. But here's the core belief driving all of it. Mental health support doesn't have to be clinical, expensive, or generic. It can be intelligent, personal, and available at 2 a.m. when you need it most. That's MindPath. And now we'd like to show it to you.
Welcome to MindPath, a lighter way to care for your mental well being every day. MindPath helps you check in, reflect, and find support that fits your real life from exam pressure to career transition. This is our landing page, and here we contain all the information about our MindPath. On the top, we have sign in and get started. Let me start with the get started. We have cloud authentication that will take us to the dashboard. And yeah, on the very first on the onboarding steps, there are two categories: student or professional. Me being a student, let me select student. What's weighing on most? Like these are the things, some areas currently facing if I'm facing mental health or any problems or stress. Let me click on job searching. Job searching, continue. I can be a bit more precise and I can write a line like what I want to use. Job search. Let's begin. This is our dashboard. On the side, we have on the sidebar we have certain tabs. On the very first page, this is our report, daily check-ins in the form of UI, average rating on the calculated based on the weekly check-ins, journal entries, day streak, and these are all some tabs. This is our mood checking tab. Here, someone can describe their current mood. Let me select loneliness. A slider is there to deviate towards what mood is right now. I'm currently feeling very loneliness, so I can just put a 3 on the label. This is the description where I can describe. Let me log my mood for the day. The log will create a tab where I can go for to find some resources based on my current mood, and the AI suggestions resources will be available in this tab to go through to actually reduce the trauma or reduce the mental pressure I'm going right now. These are some resources: YouTube video suggestions, listening to some motivational songs. At the same time, there is an AI tab to talk to an advisor, which will be a real person to talk with. Clicking on them will take to their profile and scheduling the meeting. Find the people. This takes me to the community tab where I can join the community to actually connect with real people and discuss my issues over there. At the same time, talk to an AI will take me to AI where I can chat with AI to have on a personal level talk. This is our journal tab. In the journal tab, I can create my everyday check-in in the form of a story. I can write in a descriptive form and I can save it for my future reference. AI chat, as already said, this is a place where I can chat on a personal level, talk to my queries, talk to my situations and everything. Community, these are the communities which can be joined to connect with like-minded people. Like career growth, these are here. Mental wellness community in the Reddit, burnout, loneliness. And based on the journal report and the login, a report will be created every week. So for this week, let me create a report. So the AI will do sentiment analysis based on the mood check-in journal for that the current week, and it will provide me a certain score. Pressure, like what type of mood that I was highly oriented towards, entries, how many entries, and days history, a weekly insight for that week. And this is how one can get the report on their mental health and utilize the resources provided by your web app. Thank you.